Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Mac antivirus tools and taking a close look at Clean It's not just your ordinary antivirus. It's a full-fledged Mac optimization tool with a colorful interface and a range of features. Let's see if it's worth your consideration. Clean developed by Kyiv-based MacPaw, is a unique antivirus solution that's tailored specifically for Mac users. It stands out with its vibrant and colorful user interface, offering not only antivirus protection but also a host of cleanup and optimization tools. While most antivirus companies started with Windows products, Clean is all about the macOS experience. The core functions of Clean are twofold: cleaning and protection. On the cleaning side, it effectively removes system junk, mail attachments, and clutter that accumulates over time. It also targets old files that are taking up valuable disk space and offers a secure shredding feature to permanently delete sensitive data. Clean does have an antivirus component, known as the Moonlock antivirus engine. It performs its job in the background without much fanfare. However, it's important to note that Clean lacks independent lab test results, which many competitors offer. While it does promise to fight off malware, adware, and ransomware specific to macOS, it's not backed by extensive third-party testing like some other antivirus solutions. When it comes to macOS antivirus solutions, it's worth mentioning some competitors that have garnered strong recognition. Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac and Norton 360 Deluxe for Mac, boasting perfect scores from independent testing labs. These options offer comprehensive protection, including features like VPNs, ransomware protection, and more. Although they might not offer as extensive cleanup tools as Clean they've proven their security effectiveness in multiple tests. Clean truly shines when it comes to cleaning up and optimizing your Mac. Its range of features includes clearing browser history, removing unnecessary files, managing startup programs, and even performing maintenance tasks. The Space Lens feature maps out your file usage, helping you identify where the largest space hogs are hiding. It's a one-stop solution to declutter your system and regain lost disk space. One standout aspect of Clean is its visually appealing user interface. Unlike the usual off-white or gray backgrounds, Clean embraces bold gradient fill backgrounds with vibrant colors. It's an eye-catching and engaging design that adds a unique touch to the typical antivirus experience. In a nutshell, Clean is not your traditional antivirus software. It offers a colorful and feature-rich interface, combining cleanup and optimization tools with antivirus protection. While its antivirus capabilities lack independent lab validation, its cleanup features are robust and useful. However, if your main focus is on robust security, there are other options with proven track records in testing. That's it for our overview of Clean If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next review.